Hey guys, what's up? It's Rocklands here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to enable Hyper-V for Windows. So as you can see, I have installed it, but I'm going to go through the steps that you need to do so that you can get this built-in virtualization tool on your computer. Let's start this. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to go to the Windows icon here and just start typing in Windows features, and then here turn Windows features on or off, and then here what you want to do, you see Hyper-V, you want to make sure that box is checked off, and then you click OK, and that will install it. I'm not going to install it twice, so yeah. Once you have that, it's going to ask you to restart your computer. After you've restarted your computer, and after it restarts, what you want to do is type in Hyper-V Manager, and then that will pop up, and then you get this, and then here you can see that it's showing here and here. So what you want to do is click New, and then Virtual Machine. And then what you want to do here, choose the name. So I'm going to name it Windows Vista since that's what I'm going to be installing. Next. Generation 1 is what I select. Supports 32-bit and 64-bit guest operating systems. And then we click Next. Assign memory. So my computer has 12 gigs of RAM, so I'm going to give it 4 gigabytes of RAM. So 4084, that's 4 gigs of RAM. Next, connection here. For me, I just do default switch. I'm not sure if it'll be different because this computer doesn't have a wireless card and it only has a wired card. So I'm using Ethernet right now. So I put it on default switch. Connect virtual hard disk. What you want to do, since that's what it's going to be named, just type in that. And here, if you're not, if you don't want it to be put there, what you can do is go here and then go to local disk C, and then you can just right click, click new, and then add a new folder, and you can name it VM. So that's what I'm going to select it to. And then what it's going to do is it's going to put the virtual machine to that location. So I'm just going to give it 45 gigabytes of memory or storage. I'll make that 50. No, 45's good. And then we go next, install options. So yeah, so you want to check that if you have an ISO. So what you want to do is click image file dot and then their ISO, since that's what it is. And then for me, it's on my secondary hard drive in this computer. And then I just go ahead and select Windows Vista, and then open, and then next, and then there's everything. So default switch, 4 gigs of RAM, and it's Windows Vista. Then we click finish, and this installs relatively quickly. Now all we have to do is go here, and then we click start. And then we go connect, and then it goes connecting, and then boom. You have successfully gotten this to work. So if you're wondering why my mouse input looks so laggy, it's because it's a virtual machine. So this will most likely happen for you. So just select that, everything's default for me, and then I go install now. Alright, so if you guys did enjoy, please do leave a big fat thumbs up if this was helpful, and also go subscribe to the channel, because this really helps me out. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.